Are you ready to grow your business, increase your income, and unlock your next level? This is your season to elevate. How to take your business to the next level. Strategize, scale, succeed. Inside this powerful guide, you'll learn how to master strategic thinking, set goals that move you forward, and plan like a high performer. Break limiting mindsets, build strong partnerships, operate with confidence, discover how to navigate financing, build business credit, and access funding opportunities that open real doors. Learn winning grant strategies that can fuel your projects and expand your vision. Leverage digital real estate, branding, and social media to scale your business fast. Create long-term growth systems that work even when you're not working. This isn't just business theory. It's your roadmap to a sustainable, profitable, and scalable business. Your next level is calling. Get your copy today.